back up the Kubota. Got some radiator hoses today, roughly the same fit. We also had the seal come for the pump, so we're gonna switch all these out, rebuild the pump, get the pump fitted. We've got Bob helping us out. Say hello, Bob.
Hi.
Bob's helping us out, and then I don't know, hopefully we're gonna try and fire it up tonight. I'll check back in a minute.
So I just got this fitted. Now the piece I had was a 45-degree piece of pipe, and you can see there's a little bit of a pinch in there. Be nice to know if anyone thinks about that, how much that'll impact radiator flow.
Okay, so we've got the radiators back on. We replaced that pipe up there. We replaced that pipe up there. I've used the old clips for them. They're a little bit of a pain. Back on its mountings. Got fresh piece cut here. I'm down a clip, so I might see if I can find some Jubilees and chuck some Jubilees in here to test that. I'm now going to go and replace the seal on the hydraulic pump, and then we're going to get that refitted. Probably once that's on, we'll chuck on fuel lines, bleed that, fill that up, and see if she runs. I've also got to change the filter on this and then replenish all the oil. So, pump installed, pump's back in. Now just going to refit the lines on here, and then we can get all the injectors fitted. Sorry, the fuel lines filtered, and then get it going. Okay, pump's back on. We've got the return, the pressure line back on. We've got the fuel filter back on. Let's turn that on. Back on. We'll leave the air manifold off now. Just put the fuel lines back on there. They're off there. We're going to bleed them. That's filled up. We just filled the engine up with oil and changed the filter. Got the battery on. We're just going to top off the gearbox with some fluid we got, just in case it is a bit low. Can't let it dry. Filter's on, leaking. If you're interested, this one, if you're interested in what filter to use in the UK, talking to the dealer at Euro Car Parts, that one there, part number up maybe? No, oh yeah.